Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica. So guys, today I'm gonna show you something in your fridge. For those of us who have fridge with filter on it, guys, you have to clean under this part of your fridge with your filter. Just a couple weeks ago my son cleaned this and you saw how dirty it is again. So guys, you have to clean here. You're gonna have to get a brush, that can go up in the little hole where the water come from and wash out inside there, clean out inside there very good, because see right around how it's dirty, guys, because the water, after a while the water start to keep coming through there, will get very dirty. So you don't want to be drinking dirty water, guys. You're saying that you're drinking filtered water, yes, but then when the water come through the hose, it get dirty after a while. So please, you have to, if you have a fridge that have filter on it, you have to go under here and use a brush to scrub. And if you could find a little brush that go up inside, you could use that also to clean the inside, so that you know that you're not drinking pure dirty water coming through here. So guys, that's a, I just want to share this video of how your water filter right here get dirty, so you have to clean it. All right guys. Yes guys, even this part, you have to take this part out and clean it also with a brush inside that part. I don't know if you can see it, guys. We are right there. You see, you have to clean right between those places, because if you don't clean it, then it's gonna get mold, guys. So you have to clean this part. For those of us who use filter with our fridge, this is the places. See guys, as I said, my son, not me, my son cleaned the other day, and see right there again, it's getting moldy from all that extra water that run behind there, guys. So you have to clean those places in your fridge, guys. See right up there, the filter right there, guys. You have to clean those places with a brush, guys. Put some bleach, a little bit of bleach, guys, a drop of bleach in some water, and clean out inside there, guys, with some soapy water, guys. Do not put the bleach inside where the water come from, guys. But wherever the rest of the fridge, you can clean with a little bleach. But right here, you could just use some soap water, clean around the edges, and use some fresh water without the soap to clean the inside where the water come from. All right guys, so that's another kitchen hack, to clean these places in your fridge. Right here, guys, take out that little cover, this right here, take it out. It can come out. Lift it out. Some people probably don't know that this can come out. Yes guys, so you can just lift it out. Right there you go. Lift it out and clean these little places. See all these places, guys, clean, because today I'm gonna clean it. So this is what you need to do, guys. Yes guys, so this is a wire brush. So this is what I use to clean. So my son also use it. So I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on, let me see. You're gonna push it up in here, and then you're gonna clean inside. You have to push it inside. So there you go, guys, right there. So you're gonna use it to clean. Yeah, you have to push it in and clean, guys. So to make sure you clean. It's not that dirty because it's clean on a regular basic. So guys, I don't know if you can see the handle. That's the handle, guys. So if you could get one of these brush to clean the inside of your fridge. And here, guys, so you could clean the inside, guys. Yes, guys, they're gonna clean. You have to clean, guys, this part of the fridge where the water come through, guys. See, guys, the water filter on your fridge. Clean the inside. So guys, like this part, guys, you just hold it and you just wash clean inside, guys. Just hold it so the water don't come forward, and then you can clean behind it, and then you clean the inside right here. Yes, guys, use a washcloth or a sponge. As you see, I was doing just now, I was using the sponge, but the sponge is too soapy, so now I'm using a washcloth to clean, guys, to clean. You have to clean these places in the fridge, guys, or else you'll be drinking dirty water, guys. See, guys, nice and clean. So there you go, guys, it's almost clean. So I'm gonna wash it one more time so I get rid of everything. So there you go, guys, nice and clean. So then after you finish, you put this part back in. So there you go, guys, clean, nice and clean, guys, nice and clean. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And you know, guys, now you learn a new way to keep your water filter surrounding clean. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a blessed one.